whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
Every day, my people dying from starvation. Said every day,
Did you hear
my
that?
people dying from starvation.
Or did you hear it? Either we can do it the easy way, or we do it the hard way. What do you mean? The Israeli Prime Minister said we can do it the easy way, or we can do it the hard way. Get rid of these Palestinians. And guess what? The Muslim and the Arab, they're going along with that. Huh? They're going along with what the bullshit they're saying. So the Palestinian people have no one to back them up. Either we do it the easy way, or we do it the hard way. But it's going to be done. And the President of the United States is going to be the leader of what's going on, or what's going to take place in the land of Canaan. The president will be the overseer. Isn't that a bitch? So now, so you see, the people or the government of what they call the Middle East they're messed up. You know, messed up? Because they're going to go along with the United States saying, and the Palestinian people have no say in the doing. No say. So they're playing a trick game with the Palestinian, release all the hostage, and drop all your weapons. That's a trick. I will let them release the prisoner first before I release the hostage. They got about 9,000-10,000 prisoners up in there that they call terrorists. But the Palestinian, they don't have any say, and nobody's not standing up to help them really, from Palestine, from Lebanon, from Egypt, from Jordan, because they're getting paid. They don't want to lose that 1.8 or 1.7 billion dollars that they get every year from the United States. They don't want to lose that. So they will do anything. Did you hear me? They will do anything to get that loan or that grant from the United States every year. Some of them get 3 billion, like Israel. Jordan maybe get $500 million. Egypt get maybe 1 billion. They don't want to lose that. So they are going to do anything the United States required him to do. And that's how it is. So I call him Licky Licky and Beggy Beggy. It's not just the citizen is begging, the government of countries are begging. Sudan, Egypt, Ethiopia, all of them are beggars. That's why they can't stand up for the Palestinian. They bow to the feet of the white man government. If you think I'm bullshitting you, check it out. All the African government bow down to the feet of the white man government. Only one was trying not to bow was Gaddafi, and they get rid of him. Idi Amin, and they get rid of him. That's how it is. So I don't think there's any hope for the black people. No. They're all gone sleeping. And by they're all gone sleeping, the white man just do what he want to do. He been doing it anyway before they start sleeping. Before the black man start sleeping, the white man was doing what they like to do with the black people. So they get more opportunity right now to do what they want because the black man kept silent. He's not talking no more. His mind is on Jesus. He's getting ready to go live with Jesus, the white man. In the meantime, his people is dying from all type of disease and starvation. So that's what's taking place with his people. He don't care about his people. No. He's planning to go live with Jesus, the white man. So his plan is not to help his people. Do you see what they're doing in Palestine? They're killing the people every day, 50, 40, 100 get killed. And nobody say anything. Nobody say anything. Huh? Nobody say anything. You know why they're not saying anything? Because they can't do anything pertaining to the white man. Hell no. They can't do nothing pertaining to the white man, so therefore they just give up. Totally give up. Helpless. Then the Prime Minister said, hey, they're going to get rid of them one way or another. Yeah, one way or another. They're going to get rid of the Palestinian. Either the hard way or the easy way. And they're going along with it. So there's nobody to stop them from killing the Palestinian. Nobody is there to stop the killing. So the killing is going to go on. You know what I mean? The killing is going to go on. So by the killing is going to go on, that's what's going to take place. But as I said, man, look, if we don't wake up, we're going to be messed up. Messed up, messed up, messed up. And people are not trying to wake up. No, the people are not trying to wake up. As I said, look, I'm just driving and talking, man. What comes to the mind? And that's it. Yep. If we don't wake up, we're going to be in a big dilemma. People just killing people for no reason. No reason. People getting killed. And who is doing the killing? The white government. All over the world. Also black government killing their own people. But you see what's happened? When you kill your people, it's real, real bad. But when you let another person kill your people, it's too bad. You know what I'm talking about? That's how weak and helpless you are when you let other people kill your people. When you let other people kill your people, it's too bad. Oh, black man is not doing anything. Black man is not doing anything pertaining to his people. He caught up. He caught up in the dilemma. Fighting amongst themselves. For what reason, I don't know. But all I know, they're fighting among themselves. And we got to wake up. But I don't think we're going to wake up because it's kind of late to wake up. Late to wake up. So I don't know. But as I said in past program, we're doomed for destruction by the hands of the white man. My people can't save my people. Just think about it. Because they're fighting among themselves. My people cannot save my people. You know what I'm saying? My people cannot save my people. And that's what's going on. Because we're fighting among ourselves. And by you fighting among yourself, You can't save your people. Because you let other people kill your people. That's how it is. You let other people kill your people. So by other people kill your people,
Every day my people dying.
you can't stop it off yourself. And that's what's going on.
Every day my people
So we gotta wake up, black man. And once we wake up, we be okay. Peace.